Hare and the Tortoise. Once a hare was roaming near a lake in a forest. Suddenly he saw a tortoise and he mocked him saying, "Hurry up,
Hurry up! Ganon.
hurry up, slow coach. Don't you find a life very dull? Taking so long to cover a few yards. A few yards, I could have been in the other side of the lake by now."
Pinabasa mo. Hindi ganon. Dapat may punto ka na.
Mamaya
The
na.
tortoise felt teased and dared the hare to a race. The race was in the woods.
Hindi The race was to be
Through the woods. The pigs
hanggang doon muna. Bukas na ulit to.
Mm.
Bukas, ulitin mo yan, tapos ito naman. Kabisaduhin lang niya. Yung reaction, madali lang ituro na yun. Basta kabisado niya yung sasabihin.
Zigzag.
Siguraduhin mo.